Xiaomi Mi TV 4a launched in India. Google Lens now rolling out. Samsung On 7 Prime and Galaxy A8 Plus on discount. Today is the 7th of March and this is 360 Daily. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of all our new videos. Xiaomi has launched two new Mi TV models in India. The new 43-inch and 32-inch models are both smart TVs featuring Xiaomi's India-optimized and AI-powered patch wall UI. The lineup is called the Mi LED Smart TV 4a in India. The 43-inch Xiaomi Mi TV 4a price in India has been set at 22,999 rupees, while the 32-inch Xiaomi Mi TV 4a price has been set at 13,999 rupees. Both TVs will go on sale in the country from Tuesday the 13th of March at Mi Home stores, Mi.com and Flipkart. Google Lens is now rolling out to all Android users via Google Photos and will be launching on iOS in the future. Android users can now use Google Lens directly from the Google Photos app to learn more about the objects they've captured on their devices. The tool leverages Google's artificial intelligence efforts and computer vision to analyze photos and display relevant information. It's capable of recognizing objects and landmarks and can also transcribe text that might be in a photo. You can also save the details from a business card. Amazon India is now selling the recently launched Samsung Galaxy On 7 Prime and the Galaxy A8 Plus at new prices of 10,990 and 28,990 rupees respectively. With discounts of 2,000 rupees, the Galaxy On 7 Prime's 32GB variant is now available at 10,990 rupees, while the 64GB variant can be bought for 12,990 rupees. Additionally, the Galaxy A8 Plus has also received a 4,000 rupee discount and is now available for 28,990 rupees. Apple Music for Android has now been updated with new experiences for watching music videos. You can choose to watch videos full screen or in the now playing screen. You can also continue watching a music video while browsing through the app, or even listen to any of your favorite music videos in the background and use other apps on the front end. Additionally, Apple has provided an option to let you add your favorite music videos to playlists to watch them sequentially. This update was designed specifically to align the Android Apple Music experience with its iOS counterpart. Netflix has released the first full trailer of Lost in Space, the modern-day reboot of the classic 1965 Irwin Allen sci-fi series. The series follows the pioneering Robinson family, space colonists who find themselves in an unknown alien territory after their spaceship veers off course in a space-time incident. Lost in Space flies into Netflix on the 13th of April. Luke Cage will also return on the 22nd of June with its second season, which Netflix has announced via a 20-second teaser. It features bits and pieces of new footage, explosions, gunfire, smashing doors, and a raging cage. In short, everything fans loved about the first season. That's it for today's edition of 360 Daily. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, do visit us at Gadgets360.com.